Hi guys, Guillermo is here. Welcome back to the Revit architectural training tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the trim tool and all its features. Let's begin. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the trim tools. Use these tools to trim or extend one or more elements to a boundary. You can also trim or extend non-parallel elements to form a corner if they intersect. This tool has 3 different trimming options: trim, extend to corner, trim, extend single, trim, extend multiple. Let's start with the trim, extend to corner option. It trims or extends 2 selected elements to a corner. To select this tool, click the Modify tab, Modify panel, and then select Trim, Extend to Corner button. Now, just select each of the elements. When selecting an element that needs to be trimmed to form the corner, make sure you click the part of the element to be retained. Let's move on to the Trim, Extend Single option. Select this option to trim or extend one element to a boundary defined by another element. To select this tool, click the Modify tab, Modify panel, and then select Trim, Extend Single button. With this tool selected, the order of the 2 clicks is crucial. First, select the reference to use as a boundary. Then select the element to trim or extend. If this element crosses the boundary, or its projection, the part that you click is retained. The part on the other side of the boundary is trimmed. Let's move on to the Trim/Extend Multiple tool. Select this option to trim an element between 2 points. To select this tool, click the Modify tab, Modify panel, and then select Trim/Extend Multiple button. Now first, select the reference to use as a boundary. Use one or both of the following methods to select the elements to trim or extend. Click to select each element to trim or extend. Draw a selection box around the elements to trim or extend. When drawing a selection box from right to left, the elements do not have to be contained in the box to be selected. When drawing from left to right, only elements fully contained in the box are selected. For any elements that cross the boundary, the part of an element that you click is retained.